Sharing links is a normal part of online business today. We share links on social media, emails, ads, WhatsApp, and websites. But most people don't think much about what happens after sharing a link. You may not know how many people clicked, where they came from, or which link worked best. This is where a smart link management tool like CutMe Short becomes very useful. CutMe Short is more than just a URL shortener. It helps you to shorten, customize, track, and analyze your links in one simple platform. It also gives insights that help you to predict clicks and improve your link performance. This tool is made for the creators, marketers, agencies, and businesses that want better control over their shared links. CutMe Short is available as a lifetime deal through AppSumo, which makes it a strong option for long-term use without monthly fees. So welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you grow using smart tools and special deals. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description to check out CutMe Short through the AppSumo. By using the description link, the lifetime deal that will be applied automatically. So you can start managing your links without recurring costs. Now let's come to the main part of the video and understand how CutMe Short works and why it can help your business. The first feature most people notice is link shortening. CutMe Short allows you to turn long and messy URLs into clean and professional short links. These short links look better and are easier to share, especially on the social media and messaging apps. You can also customize your links to match your brand, which helps you to build the trust with your audience. Another powerful feature is link analytics. CutMe Short shows you how many people clicked on your links, where they came from, and which platform performed best. This information is very helpful for marketers and creators because it shows what content is working and what needs improvement. Instead of guessing, you can make decisions based on the real data. CutMe Short also helps you with the click prediction. By analyzing link behavior, the tool gives you insight that help you to understand which links are more likely to perform well. This is very useful when running campaigns or promotions because you can focus more on links that bring results. Security and control are also important. With CutMe Short, you can manage your links easily. If a link is no longer needed or you want to change the destination, you can do that without sharing a new link. This saves time and avoids the confusion for your audience. The platform is very easy to use, the dashboard is super clean and beginner friendly. You don't need any technical knowledge to create, track, or manage the links. This makes CutMe Short suitable for the solopreneurs, freelancers, small business, and even beginners who are just starting online. CutMe Short is also useful for teams and agencies. You can track multiple links for different campaigns and clients in just one place. This helps keep everything organized and improves the reporting. Cost is another big advantage. Many advanced link management tools charge monthly fees. CutMe Shorts also do that, but you can get the lifetime deal through AppSumo that allow you to pay once and use it for the long term. And it has the different plan, so you can buy for your needs and preferences. This is especially helpful for businesses that want powerful analytics without ongoing expenses. CutMe Short can be used in many ways. Content creators can track video or blog links. Marketers can analyze ad performance. E-commerce seller can track the product links, and agencies can manage client campaigns. Because links are everywhere, this tool fits almost any online business. Overall, CutMe Short is a smart link management and analytics tool that goes beyond the simple URL shortening. It helps you to understand your audience, improve campaigns, and make better decisions using the link data. The lifetime deal through AppSumo, this makes it a valuable choice for anyone who shares links regularly. So that's all for today's video. If this CutMe Short review helped you to understand how better link tracking can support your business, then give this video a like and share it with someone who uses links daily. So thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.